Hey guys, and welcome to another wealth building workshop by Fortune Academy. I love doing these events once a month, end of the month, every month, so the last Saturday of every month. Make sure you're here, by the way. Make sure you click on the link and get on. However, this is going to be my VIP lunch area, just so you can see. We're going to have VIP in a moment, VIP lunch. But the first part of the day, we're going to be talking about how Forex can be and should be treated like an asset, because most people don't see it as an asset value, and that's why they lose so much. So we're going to go through all the behind the scenes of why Forex doesn't work, first of all, because believe it or not, people don't expect me to say that. They think that I'm going to talk about how Forex is a great, incredible thing, which it is if you know what you're doing. So I really become really transparent. I show you all the reasons why it's so dangerous and why you should be wary of X, Y, Z. And then if you when you understand the bigger picture, we start focusing on the stuff that does work. And that is when things happen, like magic happens. And I talk about how you can trade a £200,000 account in your first year with my inputs and my training, etc. And it's very powerful. It's very much life-changing amounts that we're discussing here. So it's a very, let's say, serious discussion, but a bit of fun. I really hope you guys come to the Wealth Building Workshop one day, because this is an event that is very much tailored to my audience. So I'll never ever say the exact same things every event. So if you repeat and come back over and over again, which I'm sure you will, because a lot of students do and a lot of attendees do, you will learn something new each time. So can't wait to see you guys here. See you soon. Bye. Those massive people skills, this will make you help. This is what negotiation starts with. You're networking. You're understanding what is this potential client, what? You know, before you negotiate a deal, you can't just go in for the chill. You need to know, what can I help this lovely lady with, you know? If I can't serve her with what she needs, then we won't have a deal. So everybody please stand up. Please stand up. I'm going to give you 3 minutes to introduce yourself to 2 people, and let's go starting now. This is something that I've learned from coaches over the years as well. So Forex is an incredible passive income for you. You do it the right way. I know how to take the building kind of things and property, if you want to do it properly. Because if you buy a house, because human behaviour has an actual need for growth. And I think for all of you, subconsciously, you don't even realise it, when you learn something new, you've got a new skill in your life, and that's where creativity comes in. So you need to be creative.
Hi, my name's Callum. Just came here from Bristol, so I think the main thing that I've learned so far is that it's if you're aiming for the same, you're aiming for failure. So I think the main thing is that you need to focus on yourself before you can try and figure out anything else. So if you're ever struggling, just you need to focus on yourself, and then everything else will fall into place afterwards. She's amazing. Obviously, the tree of wealth is it's incredible. So when you experience it in the flesh, I think you'll fully understand it. It's really easy. Everyone is so interactive, and Hither is just amazing.
Hi, my name is Emmanuel Poku. I'm a BTech student in business from college. I came to this event to study more about the millionaire mindset and what it will take for you to get to the stage of success. And from my experience as a BTech in business student, I didn't really get to be taught what assets are and how it helps you in your future, and as well as businesses. And the tree of wealth cannot be taught anywhere else, especially in schools. So coming to this event has been really beneficial to me. And Hither Mann makes you feel at home. She focuses on you. She tries to focus on each and every individual, which makes it more special.
My name is Ivan Young. I come from a construction background. So I saw Hither's videos online and was attracted by her energy and the manner in which she explained things. This morning, so far, she's explained things in more detail, which are all common sense, but until it's put in the terms that it has been this morning, it hasn't been apparent. I think I'm quite looking forward to this afternoon because we're going to go more into the Forex side of things, which is the investment bit for me. I've never traded ever. I'm completely new to it. Although I'm financially savvy, I like to think I'm financially savvy. This is a side that I want to explore because it'll open up a lot more doors for me.
And I said, yeah, I have.
I bought a house of 50, have enough money for mortgages or deposits. In property meetings. Anyway, so like the professional trading styles, retail, institutional, i.e. what it means. And then we're going to go through trading short-term, medium-term, long-term, and how 200K in your first year going up to 2 million could really help get you to where you want to financially, and what you have to get in there, like how do I work with you, etc. Is that okay? 3 minutes starting. For that long, are we going to win overall? Unlikely. Because what are you doing? It's like having, if you're a surfer and you're going against the wave, like tide, it's like suicide sometimes, it's silly.
So long term, what's great about them is, you only need to catch a few big fish to make a lot of big profit. Consistent basis over the last number of months have been 5% a month. What does your bank give you over a year? Yeah, love. Right?
But ultimately, because they're not getting any hedging, there's no like holding on the risk, and they don't get money from your losses, in a nutshell, and they only profit from actual profit. So they have to be simultaneous. One is your own money, one is the prop fund money. I want to see the same behavior pattern. Obviously, this will have bigger positions because it's more money. But as long as you're treating the portfolio the same way, I know you respect it. Does that make sense? Yeah? Because that way you can't do like the normal. What you could do is, I'll take a euro dollar here. What kind of business associates do you have? What kind of business deals are you doing? What are you spending the time doing? Like all of it matters. Positive, negative. Let's say in business you have to make a difficult phone call. It feels difficult, but then what do you do next? Like how do you get back to peak state? There's a process. We use dopamine as an example of how to get your dopamine hit and then get back into it. So I have lots of routines here. I make you eat. This is where everything, eat, sleep, drink, everything happens here. Eat, sleep, drink, play, the whole world, and your whole, how you treat money. Like I want you to, in this bit and in that, I will actually teach you how you should.
Hi everyone, my name is Hasina and I have attended the one-day event here today with Hither. Today has been absolutely amazing, and if you're someone that has either never been to an event for Forex, you have no idea what Forex is about, or maybe you have done Forex before but you're in a place where you need to take yourself to the next level, then I would really recommend that you come here. The reason why is Hither explains everything in a way that even you don't need to be smart or intelligent. She just explains it in a way that is accessible to everybody, and she helps you raise your standards. Also today, what's really important is just like her slogan, mindset before money, is a lot of people make the mistake of Forex being just about making money, and it doesn't actually start there. It starts with you, it starts with your mindset, and this is what I love about Hither. She focuses there first. So this is an event where you're going to get value, whatever you decide to do, but I highly recommend it, and basically you really can't go wrong.
My name is Kiwana Gordon, and I had the privilege today of being at Fortune Academy, taught by Hither Mann. What attracted me to Forex was learning about making passive income, but also the mindset and the tenacity and the things you need that you can look at a trade and make a precise decision to invest X amount of money, anywhere from 25,000 to 200,000 in the deal, and being patient and even have some thought in your mind that the market could potentially change and you could make a loss. And what you get from learning with Heather personally, then you would never get from learning from your typical trader, is that one, she focused a lot on getting your mindset right, because I think that plays a big part in how you see money and what your relationship like is with money. Two, she teaches you all the behind the scenes, how it goes, how the transaction goes and how it works, versus if you go to a big event, one, you might not get that one-to-one coaching. So it's very intimate, and she tries to keep the numbers very small, and always you get a chance to have a one-on-one dialogue with her, and she finds out where exactly you are and how focused you actually are.
Hi, my name is Jerry Flores. I'm an entrepreneur, author, and speaker. This is my second time that I'm coming to the Fortune Academy. The first time I was very impressed, so I decided to come a second time. I thought it would be repetitive, but much to my surprise, it was exhilarating, new stuff. Of course, there was some repetition of investment, trading, and mindset, but for the rest, it was interesting. Mrs. Hither, she presents it in a very easy to understand format, crystal clear, and I'm very satisfied following the course, and I'm looking forward to join the course within the next month. I've become a fan of Mrs. Hither, Mann. I love it. Thank you.
Yeah, give a big round of applause for Hither.